Right, we'll try going round in circles again. I've replaced the ESC and I'm just using a 2S lithium ion battery instead of the 3S. ESC ringing, high-pitched whine. Let's try the other way. I think I can still hear the noise. I'll put the body shell back on. Just quickly, for those people who think it might be knocking the bodywork, don't know if we can get a light on that the right way. If I push it all the way in on its suspension and move it, it doesn't touch the bodywork. Same on that side, push it in. Doesn't touch the bodywork. Back end, suspension in. Doesn't touch the bodywork. And on that side, doesn't touch the bodywork. So it's not the wheels rubbing on the bodywork. I think it is a flat. Which tyre was it? This tyre's got a bit of a flat on it, which we noticed early on. And I think simply with the bodywork on there, it just amplifies the noise it makes. I did wonder whether it was when the front suspension goes up and down and knocks like that. Well, I think that's what happens. I think it's this wobbling around and it's doing that. I did try putting a bit of foam under there to deaden it there. I could put it back here, and at the back end I also put bits of foam under the back. One piece has come off, but it didn't make any difference. I don't know. I've tried manipulating the tyres to try and get rid of that flat spot. I suppose the only other thing would be to try and get the tyre off and stick a foam core underneath it to push it out. It's just a little bit flat there. The only other thing that came to mind was earlier on I was talking about the toe in and the toe out, and I'm wondering if that might be a problem. That it's causing the wheels to rotate unevenly because they're trying to either turn out or turn in. I reckon it's the toe in or the toe out. I'm going to print some new cross members, whatever you want to call it, that are going to push the wheels either in or out. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.